Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the date using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt from the results and select Run as Administrator. The Administrator command prompt window will open on your desktop. To change the current date, type Date and press Enter. Your current system date will be displayed and you will be prompted to enter a new date. Enter the new date in the format shown and press Enter. The system date has now been updated. If you want to restore the original or correct date, type date and press enter. Enter the correct date and press enter. The changes will be saved immediately. This is how you can change the date using command prompt. Thank you for watching.